So we're here in Lake George today. Part 2, 2 weeks later from our last vacation. And we're here with Eric, and he said he caught something. Well, would you look at that? Eric just caught a yellow perch. On what? This. Okay. Nice one. You can see it's crazy crowded here. It's 4th of July and we're here to see the fireworks show here. So that's what we're gonna do. Nice one, Eric. Get them. Wait, how did he bite? From this way?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where they are. Alright, all the boats are getting ready. Minnehaha, Mohican, and Sacramento are all doing cruises. So, see if Eric gets another one before the fireworks. Alright, it's the second day in Lake George. Huh? And we're here on the kayaks today. Wow, lucky are we. We got to come to Lake George a second time. I just finished uploading the last videos like a week ago. We're back. Yeah, that fireworks show was great last night. Eric started off this video with the yellow perch yesterday. So funny story. We were eating lunch yesterday at home, and they said, hey, there's going to be a fireworks show in Lake George tonight because all the boats are doing a firework cruise. That's the only way I know anything. And my mom was just like, hey, let's just go. My dad's just like, what, are you crazy? That's like a 3-hour drive. We all thought she was kidding. She just, no, I'm serious. I want to go. So literally last second, we just jumped on a room. And funny thing, we got the same room we got last time. So how fun! Oh look, we're right on top of the rock pile. So let's get to fishing now. Let's hope we get something. We got all these new baits, so hopefully we can get something big on them. So Eric just caught the tiniest yellow perch ever. Right in. Oh, look at that.
The bait is like half its size.
Yeah, look how tiny that perch is. Okay, run back. Hey, look. Alright, so we made it. We made it out here. I'm using the. Oh my god, I just untangled the hooks. Anyway, we made it out here. Eric caught his perch. Now it's time for me to get something. Come on, I got like 100 fish on this 2 weeks ago. Isn't it funny we've been here 2 weeks ago? We were here 2 weeks ago and we're back already. It's so funny. Normally it's only once a year. Anything following? Of course not. So many weeds down there. How could it not be loaded with fish? I think it's like all of the real fish are like way far away, like unkayakable. You gotta go on a real boat, a speed boat for that, to get some big fish. See those little fish, that's all you can catch around here. At least it's fun. You should get entertained by these little fishies. What? I didn't even get anything yet. I noticed like all the rain has made all this debris go on the water. And the rain has made Lake George water not crystal clear.
Now it is.
Well, yesterday the water was somewhat a little murky. I'm like, what? How could Lake George water be murky? Alright, I'm trolling by. I'm gonna cast it behind me. Like that, and let's go. When we were here, it was like highs of 70 degrees. It's like 90 here. It's only like 10 o'clock and I'm sweating my you-know-what off. Alright, let's see if a fish is interested. I tried out those bigger baits, but I don't know. Nothing's gonna go after a humongous bait that like you can catch a striper on or something. Alright, see what we get. Something really little on. Oh, a stupid little yellow. Oh, another baby perch. How nice is that? Hey, at least I'm not skunked.
What's a baby yellow perch? You the only thing that bite.
It's not worth trying to grab him by the mouth. The cast before this, I saw a baby bass and a baby perch. There's no adults around here. See ya. How tiny that thing is. Jeez. What do you know? Another little perch that bites like he's 10 pounds.
I'll catch his little.
There. Alright, so look, I just caught a baby perch. Baby pumpkin seed. Hold on.
Why is everything baby?
So that's what it's all about here. Alright, bye. Alright. So what do we got? Another perch? The biggest perch of the day? Nice one. Nice little perch. So I guess the whole vacation or short little trip we caught perch on. Well, that's fine. So this is the end of our fishing adventure. It's a short one in Lake George again. Hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching.